So what are the ways that TPD is currently accessed? So TPD focuses on active learning opportunities for education staff. Those can be achieved through both formal and informal settings. In other words, where the school or the local education district, etc., actually focuses on them in an official capacity, or informal settings where it might be teachers discussing their practice or accessing content altogether. So formal TPD might come under the umbrella of courses, workshops, retreats, seminars, so maybe residential workshops and so on, or day courses, but where you go and they are provided officially by an organisation or by your school perhaps. And then informal, which is, I wonder if possibly where the real learning can take place, in discussions, for me anyway. I think discussing your practice with your peers is one of the most beneficial ways we can improve. But of course now it's possible to access TPD ideas and so on through social media, or through visiting extracurricular destinations such as museums, etc.